Heater doesn't shut off. Why doesn't it shut off?
I don't know.
An electrician will figure it out.
Maybe. But yeah, I know for a fact mine. In fact, the safety feature's bypassed too. That's supposed to shut off.
Maybe it's been tampered with at some point.
But I'll tell you what, this is a kick-ass heater. Does it work on fan only? Does it turn the heater off?
Yeah.
Okay, that does.
That's what I do. I just put it to fan only, then I unplug it.
Yeah, that's supposed to turn that off. But it doesn't. And honestly, it feels like that's on maximum heat too.
Well, that should be low according to that.
Why does it mean like this? Because all this is a thermostat. That's
Right,
going
that
to be your
should be
high
on
and your
or
low.
off.
But that should cycle it on or off compared to where it's not like it's warm enough in here to where it shouldn't be kicking on till right about up here somewhere.
Yeah, no, something's definitely wrong with that thermostat.
The only way to turn it off is to put it on fan only and unplug it.
Yep.
But why?
Why did you unplug it? Aren't you about to work on it?
Because I don't want to get freaking lit up again. You already got me freaking once tonight. See previous video.
Is that rusting on there?
A little bit. That's kind of goofy. They have that wrapped up. I thought the back panel just came right off. That's okay. What's 4 more screws?
Better than 17.
Yeah. How about it? That was ridiculous.
I wonder if the whole machine is like that.
Probably. It's freaking Gibson engineering for it. I mean, not that there's anything really wrong with Gibson engineering, just that it's a little bit overkill. You know who does engineer stuff like a mad scientist? General Electric.
I agree.
Trying to take their AC units apart is ridiculous. It's like, no.
Although in that Gibson's defense, that gave pretty good access to cleaning once that top panel was removed.
I can't believe they have the elements that close to that without a plate down there. If you dented that or something like that, it would easily...
That's pretty scary. That should have been grounded.
Yeah, it's not. Well, if you're planning on using this heater long term, I would put a heavier gauge plug on there, and you could easily implement a ground.
Yeah.
If you want to get that far into it. Doesn't look like it was bypassed, but if you look at it.
It looks like it's just broken. It's all loose.
Yeah, look, the contact's never... Oh, the contact's welded.
Oh, that's what the problem is?
Looks like it.
Yep.
It looks like it was bent into it. That's not... I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be straight.
Yeah, it does look welded to me. I bet it just failed from natural causes then.
I'd almost have to look at mine, but that does look like it's bent a little bit, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Like
it looks
someone-
like it's a nice...
Like someone tried to modify it at one point for whatever reason. Yeah, that's why it's never going to turn off. Something ain't right here. I almost have to look at mine to see what the hell's how it's supposed to work, because that's really strong. Like, it's not like it's a weak, but they're both moving together though. Like this one here is supposed to stay up, but it's not. Oh, I see it. Yep. Either that's melted or worn down. I think it's a ceramic piece, so it's probably just worn down. That's supposed to act as a stop. See? So to make it warmer or to turn it off, it pushes that contact far away from the other side of the other contact, and that's your buffer to stop it. But it's not.
I wonder if something got bent then.
Yeah.
I don't see how the ceramic piece could have worn down just from that kind of operation.
Oh. Well, if you look at it, looks like it's been touching for a while. Yeah, it's not really rubbing though, it just sits square on it, so it doesn't make much sense, does it?
No.
But yeah, I'd say it's definitely your problem. Would you agree?
Yeah, that makes sense to me.
But why? Yep. That piece feels like it's ceramic too. It's not plastic or nothing like that. So
Even if it was plastic, I can't see it wearing down like that from that kind of motion.
I think what to really do about that other than maybe pop that out and put like a set screw in there.
I think it's just a new thermostat. It doesn't seem like anything proprietary.
Fair enough. I wonder if there's anything I can do for now, like bend that up like that. Yep. At least I got it to turn off for it. I think I did. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's freaking sketchy as though right there.
Yeah, I don't like that at all.
If you even if you drop that just right and dented it up a little bit, oh yeah, you wouldn't even have to touch. Like I said,
metal's
something
not
like
that strong either.
I tell you what, though, this is a kick heater. All I can tell you is when I go on the radio, I hope they have like a 7-second delay for me to, hit the
top.
Be like, this effing idiot just called. Oh, this bleeping idiot called. I get fired the day I start.
Well, that was short-lived.
Grand opening, grand closing. My first show was my last show. Oh, man. It was not one of those ones that want you to freaking announce every song. Like, if I had to tell you that Stairway to Heaven was Led Zeppelin, you probably shouldn't even be listening to the station. Like, I'd be the guy to say something stupid like that.
Yeah, well, common one.
Stairway to Heaven by Led Zeppelin. You know what? If you don't know that, you probably shouldn't be listening to this radio station.
That will definitely be the last day.
I'm not wrong, though. Boom. I would still try to look up a new stat, but hey.
For the amount of times I use this, as far as I'm concerned, it's fixed.
I mean, but as you can see, it clearly does work.
Yeah.
And it's not on fire, so.
I only use it probably 3 or 4 times a year to turn on air conditioners in the cold.
I have mine in my basement bathroom, and it rocks. Well, now I don't have to because I have the natural gas heater, but like after work or something like that, if the wife's in the bathroom, I would use the one downstairs. I just turn that on, man. Give it 2 or 3 minutes, I'm good.
I like a radiant heater in the bathroom. After you get out of the shower, it feels real nice.
Tile floor. Yep. I don't even think they put systems in like that anymore.
I think you still get radiant heat. Actually, it's probably pushing it because it's electric.
We had it radiant heat in Levittown. It ran off the boiler. I guess they just pumped hot water through it.
Probably hot water system.
I remember that old furnace. My dad used to look at it. It had a little like lid you would turn to look in and see the fire. I thought it was the coolest freaking thing.
They'll have that.
I wonder how many of those there were. Every Levittown house had one.
Oh, that particular boiler?
I wonder how many of them are still there. There's probably a handful of them still there yet.
Those are natural gas?
Oil.
Oil ones. The natural gas ones last a long time because it burns clean, but oil.
Yeah, we had no big oil tank on the side of the house.
There might be some of them still.
Oh, I'm sure there is. There's how many tens of thousands of houses in Levittown. I'm sure one or two of them still have the. There's still a few 50s ACs down there yet. I don't know where any of them are anymore, but I guarantee there's still a few of them there.
Yeah, there's got to be.
Most people put them in the back of the house. So even back when they were everywhere, I only ever saw half of them that were there to begin with, even when they were common. Because you have the way Levittown was set up. Most neighborhoods, obviously there's some exceptions. One house would be like this, the next house would be The next house would be like that, and so on and so forth. So the ones that were facing this way, the back of the house is technically the side, so you can see those ones. But the ones like this, you never knew what was back there. I could have sworn I was supposed to shut off when he tipped it upside.
I didn't see anything in there that would make
No,
it
me
weird.
either. But yeah, I'm good with it if you are.
Yeah, works for
And
me.
it still has some room for play too. I gotta call the boss back. Hey, 65%.
Not bad.
Maybe it's because I had it running in the background. I don't know.